Go for it. Well, today we did what's called a cutout on a pool house building. There was a swarm that went into the hive probably about a month ago, almost a month ago now. That was a massive swarm that built out a lot of comb. I'll vacuum off. And it was actually larger than we thought. We went into the wall, and in between the two studs, there was probably about 4 foot of hive that we ended up cutting out. So I wait till she turns and see the big part, that thorax, the black part? Mm-hmm. And that's how you mark the queen.
Wow.
So it makes her really a lot easier to find when you're in with all those bees.
Yeah.
Putting a lot of the frames back into beehive.
We're saving some of the honey for the bees. So this comb is packed with honey, and they need it to eat, so.
And then the excess frames right now we're going through. This is not honey yet, but it's nectar and honey. They didn't cap it over yet, so it would go bad. It would actually ferment if you left it alone. Is that amazing?
It's amazing. Wow.
So what you can do is, if you want, just use your hands and squish it out.
Squeeze it?
Squeeze
Yeah.
it. Just squish it. And squish it as much as you can.
Should I get the strainer?
And then get the strainer, and then we'll strain it through the strainer into
The
jars.
strainer will be the second after we squeeze it.
Yeah.
So how long does it take the bees to make that much?
Yeah.
Well, this took about a month, but you're in the major honey flow, so all the flowers are out now.
Incredible.
So they don't do this all year long. This is just the time of year.
I see.
Yeah, after a couple of days, what I do is I put it in like the windowsill, and after a couple of days, the bubbles all come out, and you can see, then you'll be able to see through it.